that top. And that those gardenias smell so good.
Wow.
You need more bubble stuff, honey. Up in the air.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's some serious bubbles. Alright, more stuff. Pretty good at that.
Oh, careful. Careful, pour a little bit.
Why don't you help her pour that in so she doesn't spill it?
Oh, man, there it all goes.
You got too much now.
Point it up. Jeez.
Whoa! That's some serious bubbles.
I'm doing bubbles.
Too many bubbles.
Let mommy try it.
Can I try? You need more